Hello, and in this Sagaciti Insight how-to video guide we'll be looking at how to create a toolkit. So we've landed on the side menu and selected toolkits, and quite simply you press the create toolkit button and you decide on the name, and we're going to call this review of operational delivery, and we select the date, so we're going to give it today's date, and in this section here we basically identify which of the toolkit principles we want to include in that toolkit. So we can select any of these that are available to us, and including this one here with the essay, which gives us a self-assessment. So if we wanted to do a review of operational delivery and process, procedure and policy against that, we could select this. But for this case we're going to do a review of our customer and service user focus, and we're going to look at people, culture and leadership in relation to this. You can obviously add all of these or pick one to choose, and in this case these are non-admin users. All admin users have access to all the toolkits, but this allows us to pick people that we want to work on this. Now we know that Alan and Jane both work in the operational delivery, and they're the ones going to do the assessment. These other three, Beth, Elliot and Helen, are actually working on other bits of work and other projects, so they don't need access to this toolkit, albeit we will give them access to other toolkits that they want to have access to. And really it's as simple as that. So if we create the toolkit, you'll get a message telling you the toolkit's been successfully created. If we go up to actions, you can go to the RAG matrix for that toolkit now, and you'll see that there are two principles: the customer, service, user focus and people, culture and leadership. So I'll just show you that. So this is the RAG matrix for the toolkit review of operational delivery, created on this date, and you can see we've got the customer and service user focus, and we've got the people, culture and leadership principles shown there, and that's really all there is to it. Obviously, as always, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us at info@sagaciti.co.uk. Thank you.